on a happier note, good news out of Boston, ladies and gentlemen. The Defense of Marriage Act, which was instituted in 1996 in response to a fear amongst bigots and those, and I guess our House and Senate at the time, and our president, who I believe signed the law, that would be Bill Clinton. When it appeared that Hawaii would legalize gay marriage, the Defense of Marriage Act was instituted, which basically said the federal government will not recognize any marriage that takes place between two people of the same sex in any state in terms of providing them with the legal rights and benefits that the federal government provides for any other married couple. And today, or I should say, yes, today in Boston, the U.S. First Circuit Court of Appeals, or rather the First U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, ruled the DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, unconstitutional. The appeals court agreed with a lower court judge who ruled in 2010 that the law is unconstitutional because it interferes with the right of a state to define marriage and denies married gay couples federal benefits given to heterosexual couples. The most pertinent graph of the decision, and the decision was written, I believe, 2 of the 3 judges are Republicans. The decision was written by Mike Bowden, who was appointed by George Bush the Elder and was apparently a deputy assistant attorney general under the Reagan administration. He wrote, to conclude, many Americans believe that marriage is the union of a man and a woman, and most Americans live in states where that is the law today. One virtue of federalism is that it permits this diversity of governance based on local choice, but this applies as well to the states that have chosen to legalize same-sex marriage. Under current Supreme Court authority, Congress's denial of federal benefits to same-sex couples lawfully married in Massachusetts has not been adequately supported by any permissible federal interest. In other words, the federal government does not have any interest that allows it to overrule the finding of a particular state in this matter. And you should note that House Speaker John Boehner paid for, or not personally, but with our taxpayer dollars, paid to defend DOMA in this court. The Obama administration last year announced that the Department of Justice would no longer defend DOMA. Got a question on Twitter from listener Lucia. Why has it taken so many years for this to happen? And my guess is you can't really start counting from 96. What you need to start counting is from 2004, when Massachusetts passed gay marriage or found it to be constitutional within that state. I think you needed a state to argue that DOMA was unconstitutional. You needed actually gay marriage to be legal somewhere before someone could bring this case about the overreach by the federal government. I got to check on that, but that would be my guess. So this will head to the Supreme Court. I don't know when, but soon enough, folks. And I think it's just probably a matter of time before DOMA is struck down, unless, of course, the 5, particularly Scalia and Thomas, Roberts, and Alito, decide that they're not really going to pay attention to what they usually rule and just throw a bone, as it were, to their rabid right-wing base.